Hey guys, welcome back to Benos Esther Malka's channel. In case you missed it, our live stream, no worries. We opened up the place value and ordering game, plus I reviewed last week's game, if you remember, Mathery Multiply. If you want to see what game we're unboxing next week, well then do me a favor and stay to the end of the video. And if you like any of these games, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to check out the description box below because I have links to all of these games. And believe it or not, these two games are not found on Amazon. So this is something that you want to check out. Can't wait to see you guys for the replay of the unboxing. Welcome to this week's live stream. I am super excited. I have this really cute little game here and it is called Place Value and Ordering. But before I unbox this for you guys, I'm going to give you a quick review of Mathery Multiply. First of all, if you want to know more about Mathery Multiply, including a coupon code, look no further. Check out the link above because I have 2 videos on this game. There's going to be the third one, complete with the direct link and a coupon code. So, always love a good savings. So this game is a simple board with dice. Now, because I only really played the new games over the weekend, we only had a chance to play one game. But let me tell you, head over heels for that one game. There's a whole bunch of dice, and there's 2 teams. So basically, you take the dice and you roll it. Pretty simple, huh? But here's the trick. You have to use 2 dice to form a multiplication example, and the goal is to connect 4. Now, why do I love this game? First of all, it's Connect 4. So all the kids right there know Connect 4. So that was so simple. There were no rules to explain. And then you have the dice, which you just keep rolling. And that's the part I love, is because the child actually has to observe the board, make connections. They have a whole bunch of dice on the table. They have to choose 2 and either A, help themselves connect 4, or B, block their opponent. So you have math skills, you have gaming, you have communication. I personally, for this type of game, I personally am a fan of the 2-player version because again, there are 2 colors, 2 children, and this is a really nice, quiet type of game. So you put your kids on the side and they play, and they don't need teacher involvement, which is another bonus. No teacher involved, your kids are playing. There is a way to play with the group. For me personally and the children that I work with, I'm not so fond of the group idea, but just so you know, if you have a group and you want to, get them involved in more math skills, this is definitely the game. So again, if you like Mathery, check out the link above, head over to my YouTube channel because I will leave you a direct link to this game. Totally worth it. I will also leave you a coupon code, bonus for the savings. And this game was sponsored by the company Mathery, so I'm going to give a shout out to them below. And if you would like a game sponsored, message me, let me know, and I will definitely get back to you on how you can have your game featured on both this channel and on YouTube. So without further ado, today's game. Now this game, I'll be quite honest, I found at a local discount store. I wish I had this about 2 years ago. I had one student struggling with number sense. It says in the back here, it's a place value and ordering game. Oops, place value and ordering game. So, oh well, a little late, but for my future students. The first thing I'm going to point out, I love how cute it is. It's a nice little adorable square. How cute would this be on your shelf? One thing I'm going to point out, as you can see by the side, there is no artwork. Oh well. You know how much I love the artwork because then you can place it this way and the kids know what it is. Reality is, at this point, I don't really have games with this color code, so they'll know what it is, but if I have this color combination, it might be a little bit of a problem, but oh well, you gain some, you lose some. A game like this is more educational, so I am most likely going to display it on the shelf this way or on a tray so my students actually can have access to this game. Oy. Okay, so let's open up and check out this game. So it is a little square. Open it up, And, oh, really cute. So it's shaped like a tile, and it looks like each game is its own board. So I like that. It feels dry erase over here. And the back, oh, I like this. The backs are all blank. Look at this. With different like combinations. So you have the front with the numbers and the back totally different. So you can make up your own examples. So based on what I'm seeing here, I don't know if I'd call this a game, even though it was in the game section, but look how cool this is. And if your students are working on math now, especially beginner, that you have the number here, and then you have, depending on the card, what comes before. Here we have the what comes before and what comes after. And the students actually have to use their math knowledge to fill in all of the tiles. I love this game. I mean, place value ordering, you name it. Like, could you imagine going up here and like putting a number 200 somewhere and having the kids really do their big math? Whoa. The only thing I will say, as you can see in the back, it says here place value. I don't know if I personally would call it a place value game, but in terms of math skills, whoa, look at this. So let's use 14. The children will then put 13, 23, so on and so forth. So in terms of math, oh my goodness, I have to say, this game, if you guys have the Montessori, especially if you're Montessori and you have the Montessori hundreds board, this game, when used with the Montessori hundreds board, whoa, are your students going to thrive? I mean, I can just keep showing you the cards. So right now, just from seeing this, 100% I am blown away by this game. It is small. I teach in a Montessori classroom, so I could just imagine having out the Montessori hundreds board, and I would actually display this on like a little, either in its own tray or on an angle, you know, up. And I can't even, I'm just right now thinking, and I just opened this up about a minute ago with you guys, and I cannot get over the education that's coming out of my mind. So if you guys are Montessori trained or work in a Montessori inspired classroom, please let me know what you think of this place value and ordering game, because whoa, I mean, the amount of numbers. I'm going to give you guys a full review next week, but I basically reviewed it now, and so far I'm blown away. The thing I will be looking out for this week is, again, it's kind of simple. There's no instructions. You just write. What I'm going to be looking for as a reviewer to kind of help you guys is if this is dry erase. One thing, this product is not available on Amazon. So I'm going to leave a link tomorrow. Again, click the link above, YouTube channel, tons more resources. And on the video tomorrow, I'm going to leave with this game. I'm going to leave a direct link of where you guys can purchase this, because I think we're going to be using this with some of my older students as well, irrelevant, because just to see how numbers work, it's priceless. And as for next week's game, I am so excited. I got this actually at the same discount store, so I got this game. This one over here is huge, and it is called Rock Me Archimedes. I just saw this game. I have seen it, I cannot tell you how many times. And I so badly wanted it. And after like, I would say maybe close to a year of myself looking back and forth in that store, I saw this game and I'm like, you know what? Once I'm buying this, we're buying Rock Me Archimedes. So next week, I can't even contain my excitement to share this game with you. So, a whole bunch of announcements. Number one, check out the link above. Can't say that enough, because you're going to have a direct link to Rock Me Archimedes, place value and ordering, and Mathery Multiply with bonus coupon code. And don't forget to check out below and head over to their page, because not only do they feature this game, but they have tons of free printables. And who doesn't like math fun? And of course, last but not least, if you would like to sponsor a game and be called out 3 times on this channel at least, feel free to message me and I will give you information on how to do so. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I cannot wait to see you for next week's review on this game and unboxing of Rock Me Archimedes. Thank you guys so much and have a very happy day. thank you guys so much for watching. If you found Mathery Multiply a game for you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Check out the description box below. If this place value and ordering game caught your attention, you got it. Thumbs up. Check out the link below. And last but not least, next week's game is Rock Me Archimedes. I am so excited to try out this game. So if you have this game, or if you have any tips for us, again, give this video a thumbs up, check out below, and I do not want any of you to miss another live unboxing, because guess what? You can actually ask us questions there. So, as you can see, YouTube turned off my commenting, so head down below, check out my Instagram page, and I will answer all of your questions. And most questions are answered within a few minutes to no more than a day later. So let's connect and let's play together. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Can't wait to see you again next week.